All right, good morning. This is Brooke with the Isaiah Institute, and this morning we have Meghan Farner, one of the speakers for our virtual conference on August 26th. We're just going to ask her a couple questions about her presentation. Meghan, do you want to tell us just a little bit about yourself and what makes you passionate about Isaiah?
Sure. So, first and foremost, I'm a wife. I'm a mom of four young kids between the ages of 7 and 2 months. And I'm also the host of the Latter-day Disciples podcast. So, our mission with our podcast is to encourage others to boldly live the gospel, recognize the signs of the times, and prepare for the return of Jesus Christ. And about a year ago, I was looking for guests to speak to topics related to spiritual preparation for the second coming. And inevitably, the Lord led me to the Isaiah Institute. So I have studied with them for about a year, and I am so passionate about the book of Isaiah and Isaiah as a person, as a prophet's prophet, and his message that is specifically for us in the latter days. I find that there is so much contained in his vision to help us prepare for what is coming. And I feel so blessed to have found that message through the Isaiah Institute.
Well, we have loved having you with us as well. So will you tell us the title of your presentation?
Yep. So my presentation is entitled Ascending from Jacob Israel, Discerning Between Wheat and Tares.
Ooh, interesting. Okay. And what would you say, what would you hope that the participants will gain from your presentation?
Yeah. So everyone, I'd say in the church is really familiar with the parable of the wheat and tares. Everyone in Christianity, you could even say, is really familiar with that. And what many people don't know is that Isaiah gives us more detail about who is a wheat and who is a tare, and how do you become wheat, and what the future is going to look like for those two groups. So we're going to kind of compare and contrast and hopefully get a better idea of what we individually can be doing to make sure that we qualify for the Lord's protection in the time ahead.
Very useful. Well, thank you. Well, if you'd like to hear Meghan's presentation, remember to register for our virtual conference on August 26th, and there should be a link in this post for you to go ahead and do that. Thank you, guys. We'll see you.